Funky Monkey. I'm Tharani, and today in Funky Monkey we'll be making this little spoon with a facial expression, hands, and one stand. But in this video, we'll be doing a different facial expression than the one that's already here. Now let's get started with the materials. Materials we'll be needing are some tape, a pencil, some scrap paper, a spoon, some scissors, a little piece from a toilet paper roll, and some cardboard. Now let's really get started with making it. On my scrap paper with my pencil, I've drawn a little face. So some eyes and then a thick face. You make sure not to just do one little line for the smiley. Make sure it's like a little bit colored so when you're cutting it, it's easier. Now cut it out. First, I just did a rough cut. As you see, a little cut out of the paper. Now I'm going to cut it properly. And then I'll see you when I'm done. As you see, I didn't cut it too well because the outside of my paper is white and my spoon is white. So when I tape it together, the white part will just camouflage with this white part. So now I'm going to take my eyes to my spoon. So like you should tape it this way. So the round part, the back of your spoon, should be where you tape it. So you should tape it on this for your eyes, and then your mouth right there. And then you could choose your style for your eyes and mouth. Now I'm going to start taping mine together. So first I'm taping my eyes. As you see, I've taped it and there's some remainings here, so I'll fold it inside in the back. And it'll look like this for the eyes. And now I'm just going to attach the mouth using my tape. I just use my tape. I put it on like that, so the mouth is connecting to the tape. And then I just tape it on. And then like last time, I'm folding it in the back. It should kind of look like this. And then you're done with the first step. Now I'm going to draw little arms here on this little tissue paper roll. With my pencil, I'm going to draw it. And then I want to make sure that it's going to fit on my spoon. So like, I'm going to keep it like, this is the part of my head. And then this is like where my tissue roll will be. So I'm going to make sure I have my arms in the right spot. So once I draw my arms, I'll show you. Now I've drawn my arms right there, as you see. And now I'm going to cut it out with my scissors. Okay, so I've cut the outer line. Now I just have to cut the inside part right there. And then I'll snip this middle part where it's been folded. So now I've cut the middle part too, so now I just have to snip in the middle right there where my fold was, in the middle. And then I have two arms right there. So how I would use my arms are, I have my little face, and then like I would just stick my arms right there. So I'm going to stick it and then come back and show you. Now, since I've added the hands, it should look like this. Now, take the cardboard and cut an equal size of cardboard, 2 equal sizes of cardboard. So it looks like this. And then I'm cutting it in the middle right there. And then I have 2 equal ones. So then if you want to check if they're equal, just put them together and then cut them if they're not equal. And that's what I'm going to do right now. And now it's equal for me. So now I'm going to move all the scraps aside. And then I take my spoon, I'm going to put it on one and then tape it onto it without it like the spoon getting out of it. So I'll take some tape and tape it on. So first I'm going to connect my tape to the spoon and then put the tape right there and then tape it onto the cardboard. And then I'm going to do that until all of it is taped. Now I've taped the cardboard to my spoon very tightly. And now with my other side of my cardboard, I'm going to tape it with this. So I'm going to like put it on top of this layer and then tape it on the sides and a little bit here. So I'll see you when I'm done. Now your spoon should have looked like this. So now you should take your cardboard again and then cut a little piece where this could fit, so we can make it stand. So you put it in the middle and then you trace a line. And then you see I've traced a line. Now I'm going to cut where on my line I've traced. And now I have this little piece of cardboard where my fork can stand on. As you see, it's standing like this. So now I'm just going to trim the sides and round it a little bit. So it rounds the side. See how this side I made it round? Just like that I'm going to do with the other side. So now my sides are all trimmed like that. So now I'm going to tape my spoon to this. So I'll take some tape. And then I'm just going to like put it on. So it should look like this with some tape on the end. And the sticky part is on the back. For the sticky part, I'm going to like do this so it lifts, and then I'm going to put the cardboard onto the cardboard, so the spoon cardboard on, and then I'm going to like tape it right. So now I'm going to tape the rest of it all together, or else it'll just keep on falling forward like this. Now this is how my spoon looks once it's done. So why we made the cardboard is it to help it stand, and these were for the arms, and then the paper was for the eyes. And now I have two, and you can make more of these and even make a movie with them. So today I made a girl one, and last time I made a boy one. So today I just showed you how to make a girl one. I just added some eyelashes. It looks exactly the same. I used a different spoon. You can use any spoon for it. You can even paint the spoons if you want. But don't forget to let the paint dry if you use a paint. So, I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below, or take a photo and show me how yours looks like, or if you made a movie or something. Bye!